Hi, I'm Laurie Calvert. This is an unboxing video. Today's subject is a steampunk locomotive called Fearless. First of all, the packaging that it's in, this beautiful sort of golden brown coloration, coppery brassy steampunk look with lots of rivets. It's a beautiful box. I love the colours on this. And also on the rear you get all of the other rolling stock and locomotives that you can get in this range currently. So there's 3 locomotives and 6 wagons and coaches, to be precise, 4 wagons, 2 coaches. And under here as well there's some more information, including the parent brand Hornby. But these are Bassett Loke models, and bassett-loke.com is the website. So I'm going to open up this box now. I use a knife to do that because this won't cut into it. This is just a normal piece of cutlery, and it's quite a nice method to open these. Just bend those bits of card back like that, tip the model out gently. So inside you have an insert card. This one is for Fearless. The box is a generic box, means it can be used for any locomotive. It's just got a little sticker on it that's different. The cards inside are what's different, and this tells you all about this particular locomotive, Fearless, and there's a nice little description and storyline that goes with it. Very important to have a storyline with the new range of locomotives. This is the maintenance or instruction sheet, so you can look after the locomotive, and it tells you how to oil it up and that sort of thing. Now we're on to the nitty-gritty. Let's open up this blister pack. So you slide that along like that, and then pull this open, pull that up to reveal your model for the first time. It's actually the first time I've had this one out of here. Remove that little plastic cover, and there is Fearless. This particular model is Fearless. Fearless is the fast, speedy one of the bunch. It is a high-speed little shunter locomotive. Now, of course, you can tell it's built for speed because it's got this very smooth front end, and that was deliberately designed to be reminiscent of an A4. Just hinting at it. It's not exactly the same profile. It wouldn't fit. But nevertheless, is what that represents. Speed. And so there's a nice little reference there to an A4 in case you get it. Of course, it has all of the steampunk and science fiction details on it. Lots of little details on there. There's cab detail as well. You can put something in there if you wish, such as a steampunk character. Put yourself in there, a robot, or just leave it as an autonomous, that's an automatic train. There you go, runs on the normal 040 chassis, so easy to replace if you need to. You can, I think, unclip that body. I'm not going to do that. One thing I do want to show you though is a little comparison. This is Fearless, the fast one, and here is Leander, the powerful one. So these two models complement each other nicely. How does Fearless run on the track? Let's give it some slow acceleration. It creeps nicely, doesn't it? This is the locomotive going around second radius. This is Fearless going over some points. It's negotiating those very slowly, isn't it? So Fearless seems to run quite nicely, quite happily on this track. Good realistic speeds, and it's got a lot of pulling power, I can tell, even though I've only hooked up 2 things to it at the minute, the wagon and the coach, but I can tell it could actually pull quite a lot. Here I am, driving it over some points, 2nd to 3rd radius. And that is quite happy. Negotiating those at a nice speed too. In case you're wondering, this is maximum speed. All of this with a regular Hornby controller. So that is a quick review of Fearless.